The 1953 Oldsmobile 88 is priced at $17,500. This two-door hardtop is an exceptionally solid vehicle with only a couple of small bubbles on the bottom corners of the doors. The floors, trunk, and body mounts are all solid. The car has been lowered by 4 inches in the front using cut coils and 3 inches in the back with blocks, resulting in a nice ride. It's equipped with brand new Diamondback classic radial wide white wall tires that have only 10 miles on them. This is a clean dragger, retaining the original 303 Rocket 88 motor and transmission, both in good shape with the carburetor recently rebuilt. The interior is very nice, and the paint is shiny with a couple of blemishes, but presents well overall. The stainless trim is in excellent condition. The actual mileage on the car is unknown, but it comes with a clean title. The car also features power steering and manual brakes, and the seller is open to trades. The 1946 Mercury 8 is priced at $19,995. This 6-passenger coupe has undergone a full restoration from the bottom up, including a Bonnie interior and a complete overhaul of the drivetrain, brakes, and chrome. The car drives and runs like a dream, powered by a flathead V8 engine, and remains in its original condition and configuration, showcasing the craftsmanship and attention to detail that went into its restoration. If these timeless beauties spark your memories, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep the nostalgia alive together. The 1955 Dodge Royal Lancer is priced at $11,500. This classic car embodies the nostalgia of the 50s, featuring a powerful V8 Super Red Ram engine. The car is in excellent condition for its age, starting effortlessly with just one crank and shifting smoothly. The 55 Dodge Lancer marked a significant milestone in Dodge's history, introducing the Super Red Ram V8 engine and contributing to the Detroit horsepower race. The engine boasts hemispherical combustion chambers and double rocker arm shafts, delivering impressive power and performance. The design captures the essence of the era with a restyled body that sits 4 inches lower than its predecessor, featuring thin roof pillars, a wraparound windshield, hooded headlamps, and tail fins. The 1958 Buick Century is priced at $23,500. This sedan has been modified with a 1985 Camaro Tuneport engine and a 700R4 automatic transmission. The odometer shows 25,000 miles. It comes equipped with air conditioning. The seller expresses a preference for trading the vehicle. The 1939 Buick Special is priced at $12,000. This 4-door suicide sedan has been fitted with a 1969 302 Mustang engine, a 4-speed transmission, and a matching chassis. It rides on 14-inch true spoke bolt-on wheels with Coker white ball tires. The car is currently used as a daily driver but still needs some bodywork, paint, and interior work. Despite these needs, the car runs excellently and is described as fun to drive. The seller also includes fender skirts that have been painted to match the car. The 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline is priced at $19,480. This classic features a small block 350 engine, vintage air conditioning, headers, baby moon rims, a Mustang 2 front end, and disc brakes. The interior has been entirely redone, including a custom dash, and the car has received a new paint job. The seller is open to offers. The 1956 Pontiac Chieftain is priced at $14,000. This two-door sedan is an incredibly solid and original vehicle that spent its entire life in Arizona until 9 months ago. The car is rust-free and appears to have undergone a single repaint many years ago. It retains its original 6-cylinder engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The car drives well and stops adequately, maintaining a decent overall appearance. This vehicle is an excellent survivor, unmolested and well-preserved, with a clean title. The 1953 Kaiser Manhattan is priced at $12,500. This car is entirely original and in running and driving condition. It features a smooth 3-speed manual transmission mated to a Continental flathead 6-cylinder engine, which purrs when running. The car comes with a clean title, making it a desirable piece of automotive history in its untouched form. The 1955 Ford Customline is priced at $14,000. This coupe is a daily driver equipped with cold air conditioning, a 1993 5.0 engine with a serpentine belt system, power steering, power brakes, chrome accessories, and front disc brakes. The car was restored in the mid-2000s and remains in beautiful condition with no rust. The seller is accepting trades, but is specifically looking for another daily driver. The 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe is priced at $32,000. This two-door street rod is equipped with a 5.7 liters 350 engine paired with a 700 R4 4-speed automatic transmission and a 10-bolt Pozu rear differential. The car features power steering, power brakes, vintage air, which needs the lines to be run to be completed, and it drives and runs great. The vehicle has undergone a complete build from the inside out and is being sold for the seller's mother-in-law, as the father-in-law has passed away. The car comes with a clear title and is ready for its next owner. The 1940 Ford Deluxe is priced at $23,500. This two-door sedan street rod is powered by a 351 Windsor engine with a ground-up rebuild, featuring a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, a custom radiator, an aluminum transmission cooler, and a Cobra air cleaner. The car is equipped with a 3-speed automatic stock FNX transmission, a 4-inch dropped Super Bell tube axle, Mustang disc brakes, a 9-inch Ford rear end with a 3.0 ratio, and a stainless steel 20-gallon gas tank. The interior is in excellent condition. The car needs some electrical work and small fixes, and the price reflects its current condition. The seller notes that the car is sold as is. The 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 is priced at $4,500. This coupe is described as a Labor Day special and is priced to sell quickly. The car is a solid, rust-free example, with no rust in the floors or trunk. It retains all its chrome, which is mostly in good shape. The car has been fitted with a 1985 302 Mustang motor, which is cammed with 1.6 SVO Ford roller rockers, a quick shifter, and a 4-barrel carburetor. It also features an electric fuel pump and a new fuel tank. While the car is not perfect and needs some love, it is solid and makes for a good county road cruiser. The 1940 Ford Coupe is priced at $35,000. This coupe features 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, a Mustang front rack, vintage air conditioning, and a 350 engine and transmission combination. The car has been outfitted with new tires and a battery, and rigged trim rings have recently been added. The vehicle has been driven 2,100 miles this summer and is being offered for sale or trade. The seller is interested in trading for a Model A Coupe or a 1950 to 1959 Chevy Truck. The 1950 Chevrolet 3100 is priced at $28,000. This classic truck is a blend of vintage charm and modern upgrades. It features a bolt-in IFS suspension, a power steering rack, LS motor mounts, a 30-inch chrome tilt steering column, and a factory-style sun visor. Recent upgrades include a GM Vortec engine and a 4L60 automatic transmission, both of which were recently tested on a 50-mile freeway drive at 70 miles per hour. The truck also has an updated interior with bucket seats and a Rockford Fosgate receiver, along with modern enhancements such as a classic performance power front disc brake conversion, wiring, and LED lights all around. The truck has recently undergone a paint refresh, which included buffing and clay barring by a professional detail shop. The seller is open to trades and might consider a deal involving their 1993 Corvette convertible. The 1956 Volkswagen Beetle is priced at $24,000. This oval window Beetle has been owned by the seller for several years, with a friend having owned it for about 15 years prior. The car features an all-original interior, including the upholstery and dash and door paint. The engine is a correct month 36 horsepower model, and the car runs and drives well. The only reason for selling is the seller's lack of storage space, and they are no longer interested in paying for storage units. The seller is open to trades of equal value or cash offers, though they are not particularly interested in adding cash on their end for any trade. The 1947 Dodge WD-21 is priced at $14,995 and is located in Denton, Texas. This one-ton dual rear-wheel flat truck was a one-owner vehicle up until 2020 and has since had just one additional owner. It has been converted to a 12-volt system and recently received a tune-up, ensuring it runs smoothly, like a typewriter. The truck is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission with reverse. The seller specifies that no trades are being considered, but they do have the title in hand.